this false image of Israelites that's publicized forces those who claim to be Israelites to separate themselves from the title of an Israelite. Right? See, it's because of the way that Israelites are publicized that we not only in these parts have to talk about what we believe, but now we have to address what it is that we don't believe. Right? One of the negative things that often comes from outsiders concerning saying what we believe is they say, oh, the Israelites believe, or they'll say black Hebrew Israelites. We're not black Hebrew Israelites. There's only one Israelite. I mean, if there were multiple types of Israelites, then I guess that would be necessary, but there's only one type of Israelite, right? So we're just Israelites. The scriptures don't say Hebrew Israelites. The scriptures actually just say Israelites, right? So they say that black Hebrew Israelites believe that the white man is the devil. And he's responsible for our situation and our detriment here in the earth. And they will, and those same white devils won't make it to the kingdom. That's what they claim we believe. All these are false statements, and are not the beliefs of this church. Now, I want to make this clear. There are Israelite churches that believe that. Not this one. See, I want to make this clear. People talk about the Israelite church is divided and they believe a lot of different things. What then is Christianity? Methodist, Baptist, Pentecostal. We got all of these different Christian churches all believe. In fact, you can have 7 churches on one street, 400 feet separate from each other, that all teach and believe different things. But yet you want to come at Israelites for having different beliefs on the scriptures? What do we call that, people? A hypocrite. We call that a hypocrite. In fact, Christians don't even believe what Catholics believe, and they actually come from the Catholic Church. The modern Christian church comes from Catholicism, and they don't believe what Catholics believe. So there's confusion in that already. Not to mention, they're radical. The Ku Klux Klan. Last time I checked, that little white boy that shot up that Baptist church, he had a Bible in his hand, didn't he? Huh?
Yeah, that's crazy.
I know that there's a Christian pastor out there saying, yeah, we got to kill all the gays out here.